Good day, my name is Ulutu Timlane, and this is my explanation for the motion of this graph, basically. So I'm going to go section by section. For section A, at time 0 seconds, the object starts right at the origin, 0 centimeter. From 0 to 2 seconds, the object steadily moves forward in the positive direction. By the time it reaches 2 seconds, it has traveled about 30 centimeter, as we can see here, about 30 centimeter away from the starting point. Because the line is straight, it is moving at a constant speed, and the meaning of that is that the object is moving straight away from the origin at a steady pace. So when we move to section B, after reaching 30 centimeter, as you can see here, the object continues moving forward, but the curve starts to bend. As we can notice here, the curve starts to take a little bend, and the slope rise is getting flatter. This means the object is slowing down as it continues to move forward. By around 3 seconds, the object has reached close to its furthest point. Forward point, which is basically 35 centimeter thereabouts. And the meaning of this basically is that the object is still advancing, but it's gradually losing speed until it nearly stops. So yeah, section C, which consists of 3 to 4 seconds. The graph is flat. The object's position does not change. It stays around 35 centimeter. The object position does not change. It stays around 35 centimeter from the origin the whole time. This means the object is completely at rest, not moving in either direction. The object has paused at its furthest point forward. For section D, after the pause, the object starts to move back towards the origin. The curve now slopes downward. It starts to slope downward, and it gets steeper with time. The object is moving backward and accelerating. The object is moving backward and it's accelerating. It means it's getting faster. By the time it reaches 5 seconds, as you can see here, by the time it gets to this point, 5 seconds, it has crossed back toward the origin. Going past its starting point, 0 centimeter, which is here. By the time technically it's somewhere around here, it had gone past this origin, which is 0 centimeter. The object turns around and heads back, basically picking up speed and heading in the other direction. So for section E, after 5 seconds, the graph shows a straight downwards line. Basically, the object is now traveling in the negative direction behind the origin. Its position decreases rapidly. By 7 seconds, it has reached around 80, if I'm not mistaken, that should be 80 centimeters. Yes, that should be 80 centimeters. Because the line is straight, the object is moving backward at a constant high speed. As you can see here, at a constant high speed, the object rushes backward steadily, moving far past this origin into negative position, basically. So that will be my explanation. Thank you.